Good evening, friends and traders. Welcome to Trending Sutra. My name is Amit, and let's start today's market snapshot. Again, we have a quite a volatile day today. So, Nifty close approximately minus 71 points, whereas the future closed 116. So, the premium which we were discussing yesterday, that the premium buildup will going to be come down in today's market, and exactly the same thing happened today. If we talk about FIA DIA data, today both FIA and DIA were net buyer in the market with approximately 3,135 crore. Despite we have a quite sell off in the market, then the cash segment, both DIA and FIA remain net buyer. So that's quite interesting. The Nifty top loser was L&T, M&M, Axis, SDFC, ITC, whereas Infi and Kotak remain the top gainer. Infi lead, in fact, the maximum gain in the market. In the Bank Nifty, except Kotak Bank, all the other banks were into negative. PNB and AU small finance banks were marginally positive. Axis, IndusInd, and SDFC remain the biggest laggard in the Bank Nifty. In the Financial Nifty, Axis, SDFC, Bajaj Finserv, SDFC, ICICI were net negative, whereas Kotak was the leader gainer in the Financial Nifty. Out of 50, 9 stocks close in positive, whereas 40 stocks close in negative. SBI close in flat. In the Bank Nifty, 2 stocks only close in positive, whereas 9 stocks close in negative, where SBI remained the flat. Again, the Financial Nifty, 4 stocks close positive and 15 stocks close in negative. So overall, in all the indexes, market was quite bearish, especially in banking and financial. That is quite visible in the market. Talk about overall performance in the market. VIX closed minus 2.3%, approximately around 15.11, whereas dollar rupee closed down by 5.5 paisa. In today's market, if we look about the main reason behind the sell off, we'll discuss it in later. But what exactly happened? Market broadly was negative. Overall indices and sector closed negative. Auto, metal, reality, and PSU bank closed more than 1% in the minus. All the other indices and sector closed marginally negative from 0.2% to 0.38 or 0.5%. So from the lower levels, market find some support and try to close near average of the session in the market. In the PCR, Nifty close at 0.74%. Maximum pain point shifted to 18,200 in the monthly expiry. In the Bank Nifty, PCR closed at 0.68%. Maximum pain point shifted to 42,500. Just a week back, the maximum pain point was around 44,000. So 1,500 points of fall in the Bank Nifty, and the adjustment options indicate the kind of a fall and meltdown happen in the banking stocks. Whereas the Financial Nifty, the maximum pain point shifted to 18,950 from 19,200 in the previous session, and the PCR closed around 0.5152. So that is quite a summary of the market, whereas banking and financial remain under pressure, and Nifty finds some support from the IT and other stocks. Pharma today see some kind of a profit booking. In the option market, 18,200 put writer built some position, 18,000 put writer built some position in the Nifty, whereas call writer was heavily built position in around 18,200 to 18,400. In the Bank Nifty, 42,000 put writer and 42,400 and 42,500 put writer built some position, whereas on the call side, 42,500 call agreed maximum in the nearest strike price with approximately 11.5 lakh, and 43,000 call still holding the maximum call approximately 24.5 lakhs, with today's addition alone at 13.4. So banks remain quite laggard in this market, and until or unless 43,000 again index close above that level, so the selling pressure likely to remain, as we were expecting in the previous observation also. So if we see what exactly happened in the market, and if we observe, So technical sell off is one of the reason behind this continuous fall in the market, because once the market, unable to break this 18,400, 350, and again today market open with a gap up, but it couldn't sustain, and below 18,300, the market sell off actually increases during the session. Somehow 18,110 and 18,100 level was, safeguard in the index, and that's quite a relief. In the bank nifty, the fall again was quite severe, whereas 42,200 is still holding in the index, and 42,700 was become a quite a resistance in the market. It fell approximately 2-3 times around 42,700 to 42,770, which was quite a visible that kind of a pressure is, currently in the bank nifty index. Few points and few observation. What we are understanding that rupee closed positive despite we have a concern. Chinese yuan also is almost flat. That means it is not negative. That's quite positive. All the global indices are approximately not negative and traded in positive territory as long as our market was open. In fact, if you see, Hang Seng was positive, Chinese market also positive. So, except the technical sell-off, there is no other reason, and due to the weekly expiry, adjustment on the call side and put writers, market actually fell down today. Going ahead, market may find some support, and as long as today's lows are maintained in the market in next 2-3 session, some kind of a pullback and some kind of a upside move is expected, and major fall may not happen. But since we are going in through with the news and this corona and covid news is going on, so if anything comes in the market, the panic will set in, and market could see further correction of 2 to 3% in a single session. So that's what we are understanding and observing. Today FII DI numbers also positive, so that gives some support to the market, may give some support to the market in next upcoming session. That's it, except yen is still appreciating, and some carry trade is going on in the global financial market, but that is not reflecting into other financial asset, which is suggesting that the local phenomena, the domestic phenomena, may give some is over in today's session, and market may find some support around this level. And let's see what is going to happen in tomorrow's session, and how in the monthly expiry the data is forming and the market is reacting. Kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, share, and thank you for watching.